and that was the whole reason for this live stream. I want to talk about how we start off our videos. So I was in a wormhole, like, like the rabbit hole or whatever you want to call it, where I was watching other real estate channels. I was just going through and watching the first minute of everybody's videos, big or small, it did not matter. And the overwhelming majority of people spend too much time on doing things like they basically say the title of the video at the first second. Then they say their name. Then they run an intro. Then they say the title of their video once again. They introduce themselves one more time, and then they talk about what they're going to be talking about in the video. You spent 1 minute and 30 seconds not talking about the thing that people wanted to hear about. Stop doing that. It was overwhelming of how many people just like, and then they spent like the intro ran for like, let's just say 12 seconds, this animated intro. That like 12 precious seconds. Nobody cares about your intro. Stop doing that. Like make it 4 seconds, make it 5 seconds, make it just a transition, like stop doing that. And then the other thing is that like, if you've said your name at the beginning and you don't need to say it again after your intro.
Right.
If you said the title at the beginning, you don't need to reiterate it after your intro. Get to what people want to hear about and don't spend 30 seconds. If you want to know all things real estate make sure you like, share, and subscribe and don't miss anything. And make sure you hit the notification bell. So if you haven't done that yet, make sure you hit it right here. Like people just waste so much time. I don't know why that is a strategy. And I don't believe that works for us at all as real estate agents.
How quick do you think somebody should get to the content in their video?
Right away.
Right away. So just jump right into it.
Yep.
Okay.
I mean, I did it the other way for a very long time. And then I started noticing that on other channels, like I'll give you a perfect example. There's a guy named Daily Dose of Internet, and his title in his thumbnail is literally the first 10 seconds of the video.
Yeah.
So
that's a great strategy.
Yeah. So he literally gives you what you wanted to see in the first 10 seconds. So you don't feel cheated. So you want to watch the rest, because if that was so interesting, you're going to want to watch the rest of it.
If you want to learn more about using YouTube in your real estate business, click right here to check out another video. And if you want to earn an extra $100,000 a year in commission just from making YouTube videos, check out my course at youtubeleadgen.com. Link down below.